Once you have completely finished editing your tour, you are now ready to publish. Navigate to the first image you want your viewers to see, swivel to your preferred orientation, and then click the Publish button. Now you are able to adjust some settings. You can choose whether your tour auto-rotates always, never, or just in the first room. You can show the names of the rooms above the hotspots, or you can turn this off. You can display the tour name and room in the bottom left corner, or you can choose to hide this. And you can also turn EyeSpy Live on or off, or choose to auto-start your EyeSpy Play pre-recorded video when a viewer clicks on your virtual tour. Under the Share section, you are provided with a URL link that you can send to clients. To email it to clients, click the Email button, type in their email address and click Email Link. You can send it to yourself too for future reference. If you click the Embed Code button, you can copy the iframe embed code, which you can use to embed your virtual tour into the back end of your website. You can also share your tour to Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit, WordPress, and Google+. When you share on Facebook, you can choose to share your virtual tour link or your pre-recorded EyeSpy Play video. Click to share the link and then enter an optional caption for this Facebook post. Then click OK. Now navigate to Facebook to see your post. You can also download your EyeSpy Play pre-recorded video tour or upload it to YouTube.